Imagine working all month, waiting for payday, and the moment your paycheck arrives, it's already gone. Rent, bills, groceries, debt, and suddenly you're back to zero, waiting for the next paycheck. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people are stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. But here's the truth most people never realize. It's not always about how much money you make. It's about how your financial system is designed. And today, I'm going to show you 10 powerful strategies to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap. But pay close attention to strategy number 7, because this single change can completely transform how you manage money. Let's begin. 1. Understand where your money is actually going. The first step to escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is brutally simple. Know where your money goes. Most people think they understand their spending, but when they actually track it, they're shocked. Subscriptions, impulse purchases, delivery apps, small daily expenses. Individually, they seem harmless, but together they quietly drain your income. Apps like Mint or YNAB help track spending automatically. Rehook, but tracking your spending alone won't fix the problem. The next step is where real financial change begins. 2. Build a simple budget that actually works. Many people hate budgeting because they think it means restriction, but the real purpose of a budget is control. One of the most effective methods is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and investing. This simple framework forces your money to have a job. Instead of wondering where your paycheck went, you decide where it goes. But even the best budget can collapse if one financial problem is still in your life. And that problem is debt. 3. Eliminate high-interest debt. First, high-interest debt is one of the biggest reasons people stay trapped financially. Credit cards often charge extremely high interest rates, which means you're not just paying for what you bought, you're paying extra every month. Financial educators like Dave Ramsey often recommend strategies like the debt snowball method. This approach focuses on paying off smaller debts first to build momentum. But even after eliminating debt, many people still struggle financially. Why? Because they're missing the next critical step. 4. Create an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Car repairs, medical bills, unexpected expenses. Without savings, every surprise pushes you back into debt. That's why building an emergency fund is critical. Experts often recommend saving 3 to 6 months of expenses. Even starting with $500 or $1,000 can protect you from financial setbacks. But escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle requires more than just saving. You also need your money to start working for you. 5. Automate your savings. One of the smartest financial moves you can make is automation. When savings happen automatically, you remove the temptation to spend. Many people schedule automatic transfers the same day they get paid. Money moves directly into savings before they even see it. Banks like Ali Bank make this process simple, but here's where most people make a huge mistake. They focus only on saving instead of growing their income. 6. Increase your income streams. You can only cut expenses so much, but income has no ceiling. Side hustles, freelance work, or online businesses can dramatically improve your financial situation. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow people to monetize skills online. Even a few $100 extra per month can break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. But the next strategy might be the most powerful mindset shift of all. 7. Pay yourself. First, most people pay everyone else first. The landlord, the bank, the bills, and whatever remains becomes their savings. But financially successful people reverse this process. They pay themselves first. This means setting aside a percentage of income immediately for saving and investing. Even 10% can make a huge difference over time. But saving money alone won't build long-term financial freedom. The next step is where wealth really begins. 8. Start investing. Early investing allows your money to grow through compound returns. Instead of sitting idle, your money starts generating more money. One of the simplest ways beginners invest is through index funds that track the S&P 500. Historically, this index has grown significantly over long periods. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. But there's another habit that separates financially stable people from everyone else. And 9, avoid lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest financial traps is lifestyle inflation. When income increases, spending increases with it. New phone, bigger apartment, expensive car, and suddenly you're earning more than ever, but still living paycheck to paycheck. Financial discipline means allowing your income to grow faster than your lifestyle. But there is one final principle that ties everything together. 10. Build systems, not willpower. Willpower is unreliable. Some months you're disciplined, other months not so much. That's why financially successful people build systems. Automatic savings, automatic investments, clear budgets. Systems make the right financial decisions happen by default. And over time, those small systems build enormous results. 11. Separate your accounts. One reason people struggle financially is because all their money sits in one account. Bills, spending, savings, everything mixed together. A simple solution is separating your finances into different accounts. For example, one account for bills, one for daily spending, one for savings. This creates clarity and control. You instantly know how much money is truly available. But even with separate accounts, there's another silent money leak most people overlook. 12. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Subscriptions are one of the biggest hidden expenses today. Streaming services, apps, memberships. Many people forget they're even paying for them. Some financial audits show that people spend hundreds of dollars per year on unused subscriptions. Apps like Truebill can help track and cancel them. But cutting expenses alone won't create financial freedom. The next strategy focuses on something much more powerful. 13. Learn high-income skills. Your income is directly connected to your skills, and some skills pay far more than others. Examples include digital marketing, coding, copywriting, sales, data analysis. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy allow anyone to learn valuable skills online. One new skill can completely change your earning potential. But even high income won't help if you're constantly making financial mistakes. And that leads to the next strategy. 14. Avoid impulse spending. Impulse purchases quietly destroy financial progress. You see something online, you click buy, and the money disappears. One simple rule that helps many people is the 24-hour rule. If you want to buy something non-essential, wait 24 hours. Most of the time, the urge disappears. But there's an even smarter way to control spending automatically. 15. Use the cash flow rule. Many financially disciplined people follow a simple rule: never spend money before paying essential obligations first. That means covering housing, food, utilities, savings. Only after these are handled do they spend on wants. This prevents financial chaos. But the next strategy might surprise you because it has nothing to do with numbers. 16. Change your financial environment. Your environment heavily influences your financial habits. If your social circle constantly spends money on expensive things, you're more likely to do the same. But when you surround yourself with people focused on financial growth, your mindset changes. Even following finance educators online can reshape your perspective. People like Robert Kiyosaki or Ramit Sethi have helped millions rethink money. But mindset alone isn't enough. You also need protection against financial setbacks. 17. Build multiple income streams. Relying on a single paycheck is risky. One job, one employer, one source of income. That's fragile. Many financially secure people create multiple income streams, such as freelance work, online businesses, investments, digital products. Multiple streams create stability, but the next strategy can accelerate your financial progress even faster. 18. Increase your savings rate. Many people focus on how much they earn, but wealth often comes from how much you keep. Increasing your savings rate from 5% to 20% can completely change your financial future. Even small increases matter, but there's a powerful psychological trick that makes saving easier. 19. Set clear financial goals. Money without a goal often disappears, but when you have a target, your behavior changes. Goals might include saving 10,000, eliminating debt, building an investment portfolio. Clear goals create motivation and direction. And finally, the last strategy is something most people ignore, but it's one of the most powerful. 20. Think long-term, not just monthly. People stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle often focus only on the next month. But financially successful people think in years and decades. They ask questions like, where will my money be in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years? This long-term mindset encourages investing, saving, and smarter financial decisions. And over time, those decisions compound. Escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle isn't about one trick. It's about building better financial habits and systems, tracking your spending, increasing your income, saving consistently, investing wisely, and thinking long-term. When these habits work together, money stops controlling your life and you start controlling your money. So now I want to ask you something. Which of these 20 strategies do you think could help you the most right now? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more videos about building wealth, increasing income, and escaping financial stress, make sure to subscribe. Because on this channel, we break down real strategies that help people take control of their financial future. And in the next video, I'm going to show you the hidden habits that quietly